Everybody is very concerned about this PI journey. You said you made them reviewers and all of that, but always, even when you have a champion challenger, where the champion is the PI and the challenger is the AI, how did you do from a change management that now it's a co-pilot? Did you incent the PIs in a different way, or did you land the co-pilot in a workflow, or every savings they did, or did you name the co-pilot to be, little Sunil so that they all feel comfortable using it? What strategies did you do to make this adoption happen? Because it's change is the biggest challenge in adoption of AI, correct?
Correct. So again, this tool was much more internal tool for safety science team, right? So when they look at the safety cases, and based on whatever the recommendation is, they work with the PI. So it was not it was exposed to a PI, but it was exposed to the safety science team who looks at the safety cases. So for me, I always felt that there's never a bottom up approach. It's top down approach, right? Your leader is already on board that this is going to create a value. So your leadership mindset it was there. Your leader already felt the promise of seeing the product, seeing the value. And when your VP of the org is using the product and acknowledging the usage, then your team tends to follow you. I feel that's an important for any org, right? If your leader doesn't believe in it, your team is not going to look into it, right? But when your leader believes in it and is applying and utilizing for safety reviews, and imagine he's utilizing it with my R&D head and he's providing responses to that, right? So when your leader is utilizing, and I'll tell you, he's one of the most frequent users of the product. We look at the usage and he's one of them. And then they talk about the habit, right? The good habits then drill down, right? And so it was initially they did not trust it to start with. It was not easy for them to trust. But that's where when we did the pilot for a few studies, they got the confidence in. And again, adoption was 90% on day one. And guess what? 1 year down the road, the adoption still revolves around 80 to 90%. So which